Hey everybody, welcome to Tank Chair Adventures. We just got done with another awesome adventure for you to see. We stayed at Vieras Resort in Isleton, California. It has beautiful sycamore trees and a flat campground for RVing. It's got fishing. It's also got cabins that I believe you can rent and quite possibly handicap accessible. So come on down and have an adventure at Vieras Resort. Check them out. Okay guys, doing a little recording about how close the water is to our campsite. It's not very far, so I'm taking the Bumblebee, my electric chair, to go out onto the dock to do some fishing last minute. We gotta check out by 1, so I got a couple hours, just got done with breakfast and coffee. I'm gonna go out and still have a dozen of night crawlers. I'm gonna toss them out. This is like the perfect day, no wind. Last 3 days have been pretty windy, and this is, of course, the last day we're here is the perfect day to fish, unfortunately. But it might turn out good, so here we go. Looks like it's high tide going out. This is the dock. Out on Vieras Resort. Like I said though, this is kind of off season and I don't think you're supposed to normally fish off this dock, but they've been kind enough to not say anything, I think, because there's not a lot of boats. It's a pretty big dock. So there's plenty of room for boats to come out on off season. And one of the locals here told me go to the end of the dock and cast out. So that's what we've been doing. We catch fish here and there. Got a lot of nice cool wildlife here, ducks and geese, and it's just beautiful. It's different than what I'm used to up in Redding. It's great to get out, get some fresh air. So we're here at the dock. Okay guys, there's the rig I got. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just a high-low rig. A couple dropper loops on it. With the weight on the bottom, I got 5 ounces on. 20-pound fluoro tied to 30-pound braid. I'm gonna hook it out. First cast, here we go.
Got the GoPro?
Yeah.
Little shaker.
Relax, buddy, relax. Bam! Take Chair Adventures. Well. That's what we're using. Some night crawlers. This might be graphic for some.
That was very little fit. I don't know. You think so? Yeah, 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 yeah.
This is Tincture.
Oh yeah.
Got more salad on his face than fish.
There it is, honey, your big fish.
There it is. Tincture Adventures. You want to kiss it?
No.
Tincture Adventures. Big old striper. Not that big, but it's cool. Good dish. Back in the water. Oh, getting bit already. I think I got him. I think I got him. I don't know. Doesn't really look like I got him. I got him. I got him. All right, Tincture Adventures. Another diaper striper. Well, you just never know. Next one could be a big old 50-pounder. I'm gonna take a picture of that one so we could send it to Mom. Bye-bye, buddy. Grow up so I can catch you on the next adventure. Hit it again. Dang. Oh my God. Oh my God. Come out of it. Small. Yep, I got him. Got him. Another diaper striper. I hit the top hook that time. He hit the bottom. And then took the top. Alright. Come here, buddy. You gotta be careful for these guys. Right here is like a razor blade. So don't cut yourself on that gill plate. They are sharp. Forewarn you. Alright. Another little striper. Going back to get bigger. Ah, it's beautiful out here. Even though we're not catching a whole ton of fish. It's just nice to get out and get away. Get out of the house, get some fresh air. Get off of social media. Just enjoy the finer things in life. Just want to be... I'm just so thankful for being able to get out here and make videos. Even though I don't have a lot of followers right this moment, but I'm hopeful. I'm hopeful that I can inspire people with disabilities to get out and enjoy nature. Get out of the house and quit dwelling on life, quit dwelling on a disability. You know, we could get out there and do the things that we can do, and that's my hope, that I can inspire people to get out and do the things that they can do. I know some people have different disabilities and some people can't use their limbs very well, but there's people out there, there's different functions that help people get out there and enjoy life. So I just want to inspire everybody that might be watching this channel to try to find those things that brings them happiness, so that they're not just sitting at home dwelling on the things in life that might be bringing you down. Especially in this time in life, there's a lot of things that are going on with COVID, and everybody's just freaking out. But I think we are created to enjoy life and inspire people, love on people. And if any of my viewers want to hook up with me, I'm more than happy to try to take you out and get you on some fish. And I'm getting bit right now, so come along. Whew, that was a ferocious bite. Come on, buddy. But yeah, if any of my viewers want to try to get a hold of me, I'll try to do whatever I can to get you out. If you have a disability, to get out and go fishing or whatever we can do. Let's do it. I'll try to get a link somehow that you can get a hold of me, so that we can try to hook up and get you on some fish, or maybe go for a bike ride, hand cycle ride, or whatever it is. All right, guys. Get out and be inspired. Get out and make an adventure. Life is an adventure. This is Tincture Adventures. Trying to get on some fish. I don't know if I got them. I might have. It's small though. Let's see. Did I get them? Nope. I got some moss. But they're out there. Let's get back out there. Still got my bait. Let's clean it up a little. Make sure they're all fastened on there good. Boy, they did nibble on them pretty good though. Let's get that green stuff off of there. Get them hooked back up. Get the moss off of our line here best we can. And get back out there. This is a little bit sketchy spot. Just wanted to film it. I'm gonna kind of come at it at an angle. There we go. Tincture Adventures out. Thanks for joining.